The CCU has approved a plan to build new power plants along the Harmon cliffline area next to the Northern wastewater treatment plant. CCU Chairman Joey Duenas says this new plant will allow GPA to come into compliance with U.S. EPA regulations. 4 slow-speed diesel units, number 3, 4, 8, and 9, are not in compliance with U.S. EPA regulations for emissions. Basically, GPA's generators are polluting the air, and they were supposed to be fixed by May of 2013. To address this, the CCU decided to build 3 new power plants along the Harmon cliffline area next to the Northern wastewater treatment plant. CCU Chairman Joey Duenas.
We now can use the treated wastewater and treat it a little bit more and use that wastewater. We can reuse the wastewater as the water needs for these plants.
The wastewater will be used for cooling and generating steam in these plants.
Right now we are using water down at Cabras, and we're using potable water, drinking water, for the needs of those plants. If we build these new plants and put them up next to the Northern wastewater treatment plant and reuse that water, then we don't have to use potable water. That's drinking water, which we can save for population growth, expansion.
Duenas says the generators they are looking at purchasing for the new plants are called combined cycle units, which Duenas says are 25% more efficient than their most efficient unit at Cabras. These generators will be able to burn either low sulfur diesel or liquid natural gas. Duenas says to get their current generators compliant, it would cost $350 to $400 million, and it would be cheaper to purchase the 3 new combined cycle units.
They could be as low as $250 million. They could be. We need, this is where we bid and we see where the numbers
Or as high as 350
or as high around 300. They're saying it's around 300, but it could even be lower than that.
These plans will now need to be approved by the Public Utilities Commission and then by the U.S. EPA.